Hi everyone, it's Nancy, your favorite innkeeper at Old Square Inn in Mountjoy, Pennsylvania in beautiful Lancaster County. And today we are standing in my laundry room because I wanted to show you one of my favorite innkeeper hacks. This has to do with storage. You know, sometimes like when you hang your clothes over a hanger and you go to take it off and it has that nasty crease in it. Well, this is an idea that my friend Donna worked up for me. Take a look at this. These are all our tablecloths over here, but this would work for your pants or sweaters or whatever you want to hang over a hanger. And you just take your hanger and put this little foamy tube on this. And all this is a piece of pipe insulation. See, it's split in half. It comes in lengths of about 6 feet. You could get it at the hardware store. Real inexpensive. It's like $1.50, something like that. Then you just cut them to size, slip them onto the hanger. They kind of seal shut themselves, and then hang your item on there. And you don't get those nasty creases. Hope this helps. Come on out and see me sometime at Old Square Inn. This is Nancy, over and out.